1 family size bag of frozen tortellini. Coming in with some fresh spinach. Use as much or as little of this as you like. Can of diced tomatoes with the juice. 1 block Philadelphia cream cheese, or you can just use the store brand. Now I'm gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Ooh, it smells so good, I love it. Some onion powder. Now what I really like about this recipe is it's totally customizable and all these ingredients are just great value from Walmart except for my cream cheese. I'm just gonna put in some basic Italian seasoning. Of course, you can always add, crushed red pepper if you want this to be a little bit spicier, some paprika, but I'm using my Italian seasoning, my onion powder, and my minced garlic from the squeeze bottle, just to season this up and give it a lot of flavor. I've got some low sodium chicken broth here, and I am going to add this whole thing, 4 cups. Now you can always add some ground chicken to this or ground beef if you like, but this is just gonna help all the tortellini cook up. And now I'm gonna top this with some Fiesta blend cheese. Now, like I said, I'm using kind of all ingredients from Walmart, just great value. Add as much cheese or as little as you like. Like I said, I'm using the Fiesta blend, yum. This is a 1 pound bag, but you could just put 2 cups if you want to go a little lighter on the cheese. Get that right off the edge there. I'm putting my lid on my crock pot. I'm gonna cook this for 2.5 hours on high. The easiest dinner ever will be ready to eat. Alrighty guys, we had our tortellini here cooking for 2.5 hours on high, and it's ready. Look at that, it's perfect. Not falling apart. Sometimes you put pasta in the crock pot and it just falls apart, but not this. We're gonna mix this in. We've got the juice of that tomatoes. We've got our chicken in here, all this cheese, yummy, yummy, yumminess. This just looks so easy, so good. Your kids are gonna love this. This is a family favorite. All right, let me grab a big, delicious bowl full here of my perfectly cooked tortellini with my spinach, with my cheese. Y'all, look at this. Kids are gonna love it. So easy, so good. You gotta try it.